Today I am going to teach you how to get a digital art look for this photo using the Picsart mobile app. So, let's start editing. First go to Draw. Open the layers. Click on the photo layer, then duplicate it. Click on the eye icon to make the first photo layer invisible. Arrange the 3 layers in this order. Select the transparent background layer before proceeding to the next step. Now go to Color and choose the white color. Next go to Brush and follow the steps. Take a good look at whether zoomability is turned off. Now zoom in as needed and draw lines like this. If you want to learn more photo editing tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel, and watch other videos on my channel. Now go to Layers, and add a new transparent background layer. Make the brush settings in this order. Now draw the lines as before. If you like my videos, please like and comment. If you have friends who are interested in photo editing, please share this with them. There are a few places I missed before, let's fix them now. This is how we can switch between layers as we want. Now move this photo layer to the top. Select the overlay. Bring the layer opacity to 50%. Add a new empty layer, and move it here. Select the black color as the layer color. Add another empty layer to the top of the layers. Next go to Brush and follow the steps. Select this color as the brush color. Turn on zoomability. Draw like this and delete the junk. Bring the layer opacity to 60%. Try this for your photos too. Look the final result. To watch more videos like this, subscribe my channel and stay tuned.